The purpose of this video is how to replace the main control board on a Broan BLP150E75NS. First things first, make sure the power is disconnected to the unit. Go to your breaker box and turn the power off or unplug the unit if it's a power cord unit. Next, we're going to open the door. You can lift up on the left and right latch, and you can lift up on that door and you can slide it off the hinge pin to remove that door if needed. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to remove the two screws holding that electrical panel. Once the two screws are removed on that electrical panel door, you can lift up on that door. And as you see, it's actually a hinged door. What you're going to do is, if there's any low voltage wiring going to that terminal block, remove the low voltage wiring. Be careful to hang on to your screwdriver. Once that low voltage wiring is all removed, you can lift up on that door. The next step is you can lift up on that electronic board and you can start unplugging the wires to that board. You can lift up gently until you feel resistance and just keep unplugging the wires. Once all the wires are disconnected from that board, go grab yourself a new electronic board, and you can basically reverse this process by starting to plug all the wires back in. Once you have the wires plugged in, you can slide that control board down and you can continue to plug in as needed the wires. And you can go ahead and seat that electronic board into place. Make sure that the ribbon cable is connected and you can close that cover or door. And you can put the two screws back in holding that door cover. Once the two screws are in place, don't forget to hook that low voltage back up to that terminal block. Once the low voltage is in place, make sure that the cover, once you put it back on, you can slide it back onto that hinge pin. Make sure that cover doesn't interfere with that low voltage wiring. Pinch it. Once in place, you can close the left and right latch for that cover. And that's all it is. I hope this video helps. Don't forget to turn that power back on. Thanks for watching.